Welcome to Subway Surfers, everybody. I hope you enjoy. Oh my gosh. You get to this game. YouTube. I like how I'm like laying right now. Oh no. I'm sorry, I never made a video in like a long time and I forgot how the laws of physics work here. Oh my gosh. You see, I can't fit the whole screen on here, which you kind of is newbie, but I had 39 coins and 20 out of 20 boomerang. Now I have 55. Because I forgot how to make a video. It's so lame. Also, I'm in Arizona. My cousin. Damn. Oh my gosh, really? Oh my god, this is so hard. This video is like gonna be like 2 minutes something because I'm not used to it or something. But you see how many I've been playing for a long time, so you see that and then forced out of their app. But if you saw it, I suck at making videos now.